What's up YouTube, it's a boy Lucky, you know the vibes now. So in this video I'm going to be talking about EURUSD. So this is the trade I have for EURUSD this week. I normally drop once in a while. So before going into the video, let's bring our Fibonacci to, let's drag it. I don't know, the network is kind of slow. If you can see, the market is resting on 61.8%. You understand? Market is resting on 61.8%. So we are hoping for a continuation pattern to the upside. You understand? So without any further ado, let me check if I can. Let me check if we have first, second or third touch. Let me drag it from here. No, let me drag it from here. Let me zoom in. So you first of all look for first touch. As you can see, the market is giving us first, second and third touch. This is not a magic. So let's mark the resistance that turns support. So let's mark this level. Understand? Let's mark this level and let's go to 4 hours time frame. As you can see, the market is giving us our confirmation. What we need in the market is first touch, second touch and third touch, continuation pattern, then breakouts. You understand? So if you can see from here, there is a reversal candlestick here. So we have high probability that the market can come down to this level because of this candlestick here. Have high probability. So we mark it there. You understand? We mark there. So we have got our first touch. Let me adjust this so that thing will be looking so clean. So we bring our trend line, and let me zoom in so that you guys can see it. In my previous video, you guys were not seeing it so clearly, so let me zoom it. If you can see or you understand the market structure, you will see the market is giving us kind of inverse head and shoulder, but not inverse head and shoulder. And also kind of double bottom box. If you can look, left shoulder head, but it's not kind of complete yet. You understand? So let's mark this level. Let's mark this level because this is the place we are going to be entering the trade, because the market can. The main reason why we are entering in that position is that the market can just go down, then retreat, then boom. So we don't want to be a victim of that. So for us not to be a victim, we wait for the price to go like this, give us something like this, maybe or you understand? Or we are going to be entering the market at it break above here with body, not with wick. We enter for a buy after a little retracement, then boom. So we are going to be looking for our buy position at this point. take profit here, stop loss, yeah, or let me bring it this way. So we're not just going to set, we're going to monitor the market. So this is how I expect the market to behave. You understand? It's going to behave like this, how I expect it. If you did not give me clear structure like this, I'm not going to enter. But if you look at this third touch here, give us a confirmation which is continuation pattern to the upside. As you can see, let me clone this for you guys to see. I don't like talking much. I know the last video I dropped, I have the highest views. That was so surprising, but it also hit take profit, and I did not give back my review of how the markets went. You understand? I just leave it. You understand? So it looked like inverse head and continuation pattern, which is falling wedge. But because I clone it, but if I did not clone it, you see it so clearly, like something like, let me say, from this point to this point. You understand? From this point to this point, you see so clearly. You understand? It's kind of falling wedge pattern. So we are going to be entering the market because it has given us our third touch. But it have high probability of reaching this level because of this candlestick here. So as for now, we are not going to do a thing. We're going to wait. If the market break down to this part, then we wait for it to retrace back to this level before we enter our buy position. So is there any further ado? Let's call it a day. EURUSD. So in my previous video I also dropped about US30. So there is other video I dropped still. I forgot the pair, but the pair went straight to TP, first take profit. So is there any further ado? Let's call it a day. This is my trade I have for EURUSD.